want to see something?
What?
Go ahead and bring your camera in here. Does it take pictures?
Yeah.
Does it do sound?
Yeah.
Come on in here. You ready for this?
I think so.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, is it getting all this?
Yeah.
Okay. Stop the video. And you're supposed to sound like that. It's actually pumping the gas right here. You look at me and do the gas. I heard it in the carburetor. I just rebuilt the carburetor. But it's pumping it, that's pumping its own gas. Yeah. Might be able to see if you go back behind that. Yeah, as soon as that bucket has crystal clear, we're going to plug it into there, and we don't need the motorcycle tank anymore. Turn it out. Turn it around. Back up, loose. Cold pressure. It's probably got no gas in now. It's probably pretty cool. Been a long time coming. I worked diligently on this engine probably, I don't know, how long has it been in here? Probably every single day. Not, probably at least a month in the garage here, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably at least a month, yeah. I'm almost ready to do the linkage on the transmission and the steering column, and then put it down on the ground. Radiator in. So far it's showing no leaks. No. It's not of this air, but it's off of his dad's car when they rebuilt it, 61.
Yeah.
And that's a 57, so it's really close to the same year. Yeah, this old girl needs to go outside and go for a little spin.
Get some fresh air.
Yeah, hell yeah. The liar's chair right here.
Yeah. You got a new.
See where they gripped it when they were lying?
Got a new liar's chair.
Yeah.
That's cool.